Welcome everyone to anywheregk.in, Best Data Analysis Certification, Advanced and Demanding Industry Courses. My name is Professor Abir Vaidya. I am UGC National Eligibility Test, All India Rank 15 in Human Resource and Labor Welfare, Assistant Professor and Qualified JRF, MBA in Marketing and Human Resource, selected in top companies like Britannia, ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, a Fortune 500 company in India. I'm the founder of anywheregk.in. anywheregk.in top reasons to enroll in our courses. 3000 hours of course design. It takes huge amount of time to design a good course. Later skills, personality development you will learn, 100% risk-free, better career, premium and ultra affordable courses, 100% convenience, comprehensive courses, assignments, exams, certification, free courses or free lessons you will find, free resource library, ebooks you will get. Let's get to know each other through a small activity. So before going for that, I want to special thank canva.com for making the presentation, statista.com for all statistics, anywheregk.in for making the best courses for all people, Microsoft for best applications, Google for managing workspace applications, WPS for best and affordable applications. Career and job. So what is a career? You need to understand. So what is a career? Career is such a big playground. Means suppose you go for any job. Suppose you go for human resource as career. So there are multiple job roles in human resource. Human resource recruiter, assistant, supervisor, manager, generalist, HR business partners. You go for finance. Finance is a career. Then you can find accountant, senior accountant, executive finance. Then junior business analyst, senior data science officers or managers, whatever. These are the jobs. Okay. So what is data analysis? Why data analysis is important for organizations? How you can analyze data. Now you analyze data each and every time, but you don't understand the facts. So think of your three statements: science, psychology, and data analysis. Why people want jobs? No jobs, no money, right? People want a quantity. You get a salary in terms of a quantity number, right? There you can say a simple data. Suppose I work for 8 hours. So you get your salary per hour basis. So that is your data, that how much money I am earning per hour or per month or per year. That is your data. So if you want to do a job, you want money. So I am doing your job, you are paying me the fee. Why you want good faculties? To know and get concepts. This is, you can say, a simple data that the best faculties will give you best results. Why organizations want your data? To manage and help consumers. For example, Facebook has huge user data. Suppose you go for digital marketing, right? When you are going for digital marketing, Facebook is a very important way to analyze the demographics. Who are my user data or who are my prospective customers? So you can go for the Facebook ads and you can go for the demographics, and you can also use interest based targeting. Next, you will go for the ad creation and then you will create the ad. After creating the ad, you will go for the ROAS, return on ad spend, CTRs, CTAs. All these are data. And then you will analyze how my ads are performing, which ads I should give more money, which ads I should stop giving the money. Now the main thing people will be asking: science and psychology and data analysis. Three things are always important. When you are using data analysis, it's already a science, right? Psychology means you are understanding what are the facts or the conclusions. So when you are using Facebook ads, the science is that the more money I will spend, the more my ads will be reached to multiple people. Psychology is that if I create better ads, the thumbnail is good, people will likely to create more clicks. The data analysis is simple. The better the thumbnail, the better you are paying to the Facebook, and the more you are offering better discount to your customers, the better will be your results. Be career ready. Special offer. Anywayjk.in, India's leading courses and education destination. Real career skills. All these things will be available in your courses. 100% best and affordable courses. Now, the main thing is that I have told you 3000 hours of course design. Now you can understand it takes huge amount of time and money to create a good course. It's not like a Udemy simple course. Udemy has huge amount of funding. If you just type in Google Udemy funding, you will find that Udemy has $1 million funding, and it has more than 100,000 courses and lots of people there. It creates huge amount of ad and it spends huge money, so that the more you spend money, it is making the courses cheaper and cheaper and cheaper, so that the other competitors will be out of the market. If you just search my name, I have not got that much of funding. My funding is mine funding, none of their funding, you can say. Means I am bootstrapped. Whatever I have done is of my own money. Okay, so you can say that Udemy course are just like a pizza. Whatever you are paying for a pizza is simple as like the Udemy courses. Investment in our courses versus other items. Now it is a data analysis. Orders per month, minimum price per order. Habits of spending from media I have taken. So you can see that pizza, if you are giving the orders per month, suppose 5, and if you are spending minimum $5, so you are spending almost 25, you can say $30 per month. If you are using alcohol, so orders per month is 5, more than 5 you can see here, and the cost or the minimum price is suppose $6. So 5, 6, $30, 30 and 30, $60 you have spent. Again, OTT. So suppose you have only 2 OTT applications, and OTT costs around $8 per month. So 2 into 8, 16. So wherever you are residing, you can calculate it. Minimum price you can pay for online courses. This is the survey which I have taken from multiple social media. Total respondents up to 400, there is more than 400, and you can say the price is $50, $100, $200, $300. So most of the respondents have given a response that is $100 to $300 is the best. Average should be $200. So this is a data analysis. Career in Advanced Data Analysis Certification. In order to answer a query or solve an issue, a data analyst collects, cleans, and evaluates data sets. Business, finance, criminal justice, science, medical, and government, etc. needs these jobs. The process of analyzing data typically has identified the data you want to analyze, collect the data, clean the data in preparation for analysis, analyze the data, interpret the results of the data, means the conclusion. The World Economic Forum listed it as number 2 in growing jobs in the US and other countries also. The Bureau of Labor Statistics also reports related occupation as having extremely high growth rates. Means whatever the jobs which are related to data analysts, these all jobs are also important. From 2020 to 2030, operations research analyst positions are expected to grow by 25%, market research analysts by 22%, and mathematicians and statisticians by 33%. What skills you need for data analysis? Advanced and demanding industry course. Analytical skills, communication skills, attention to detail. Analytical skills are simple, and mathematical skills we need to understand. Communication skills means how you actually coordinate all your details with other people. Attention to detail means how you're analyzing the data, means the conclusion. Okay. How to start data analyst career? Data collection. Analysts frequently acquire data on their own, conducting surveys, tracking visitor characteristics on a company website, or purchasing data sets from data gathering professionals are all examples of this. So suppose the CTR, you can say, click-through rate. Data that is free of duplicates, mistakes, or outliers is called clean data. Cleaning data is keeping data in a spreadsheet or computer language in good shape so that your interpretations aren't skewed or incorrect. Statistics and math. Understanding the fundamentals underlying what data tools accomplish will greatly assist you in your work. You will be able to determine which tools are idle if you have a strong understanding of statistics and mathematics. So you will learn all these things, important things I will give you in your courses. Benefits of Excel or spreadsheet and data analysis for finance, accounting, audit, sales, KPI, key performance indicator, marketing, HR, human resource, digital marketing, students reports, advertising, payroll, inventory management, etc. It will increase your salary. Excel is a transferable skill that any hiring manager understands is critical. You need data in your day-to-day life. Your life and data, very important. You find good score and work towards your career. You apply to companies as per the availability and salary. You shop and compare all reviews. Everything includes data, but you don't understand the things properly. It is one of the most secure jobs now and highly relevant. Data analysis, data analyst, spreadsheet jobs. These are the most important jobs nowadays with high salary. I will give you all the examples here. Data analysis example. Example 1. Customer. Suppose you are the customer and there is a product A. Parameters are product A, price and discount. Suppose you have X number of products, then it helps you to analyze the data. Okay. So suppose you go for a shopping and you want to find a seller who is giving you a product A at two price points. Price point A is $500 at 50% discount. Price point B is same $500 with 10% discount. Now you want to analyze which price point is better for you. Tell me which one. Yes, your 50% discount is going to help you. Why? You will analyze that if I save at least 50%, I can put my money to other products. So you are analyzing your data. This can be your first step in your data analysis. So all customers want to save their money, right? So you are only analyzing the data that the more money I will save, the more money I can spend later. Example 2, and you will be happy also. Data analysis makes you happier. It doesn't make you, oh no, it's so boring. Data analysis is one of the most important jobs and it gives you more better salary also. Example 2, student who has good qualifications. Suppose you are going for a job, okay, and parameters are knowledge, skills, certifications, better salary for same jobs for best qualifications. Suppose the job is a manager and the salary is 3,000 and also same job in another company with 3,600. What you will do? Which company you will get for that particular role? 3,600, right? Because when you want to buy a product, you want to buy at a cheaper or discount or whatever your offers. But when you want to go for a job, you want a high salary job. So the data analysis is not important here, but you need to understand in job, you are also using data analysis. When you are buying some products, you are analyzing different way. When you are going for a job, you are analyzing a different way. So different data sets have different conclusions. But always try to get less discounts because less discounts will give more value to the economy. Recent studies have shown 82% of jobs require data analysis skills. On average, certified Excel or spreadsheet skills can increase your earning potential by 12%. Excel and data analysis skills open the door to more jobs. Excel and data analysis is a versatile program that is widely used in many career fields. Research shows that middle-skilled job applicants who know Excel or spreadsheets make $22 per hour on average compared to $20 per hour. Moreover, full-time employees in certain industries can see a starting salary bump of anywhere from $1,000 to $7,000 per year on their Excel skills. It allows you to grow employee knowledge with little expense and effort. It helps the HR and provide employees with a satisfactory job experience. Benefits of Excel or spreadsheets and data analysis. You will get all these benefits in our courses: Basic Excel or Spreadsheet Foundation, Advanced Rules, Data Analytics, Analysis, Create Dashboards, etc. Assignments, projects, exams as per the courses. Very soon these are coming. Certificate of Achievement, use of WPS, Combi System or MS Office. Please read the lessons for all details. You will also get free preview lessons. Who can enroll in our courses? School students from class 6, graduates in any stream, postgraduates, experienced people, businessmen, entrepreneur, anyone can enroll in my courses. How we can help you? Best courses, easy lessons, industry relevant knowledge, only important skills, affordable, assignments, free CV. Yes, you will get a free CV. Projects as per the courses, interactive self-paced courses and certification. Enroll now for data analysis courses, preview lesson available, discounts, syllabus, special offers when you again enroll, save and get better career. Your fees are paid means where you are paying your fees. It takes efforts and time to make good courses and your help gives us benefits. Concepts and design of courses, government tax, hosting costs, agency fees, staff salaries, R&D, NGOs, student benefit and less ads. We try to avoid ads. Okay. So enroll now and give us the benefits and we are trying to give you the better benefits. Enroll now, learn and solve assignments and projects, affordable and global curriculum, all the things as per the courses, become great for any career. So I welcome you again and enroll in my courses, one of the best courses at the moment. Many people are enrolling in my courses and I hope you will find the course meaningful. If you have any suggestions after the course, you will give all the suggestions, feedback. I will try to make the courses much more better.